ashtray is just for storage. Billet aluminum knobs, I got the originals. Custom LED interior lighting. Antenna, so I've got the car cover on it. I don't want to poke a hole through the car cover. WeatherTech formats, front and back. Individual steps on the rock rails. You can take them off with, they're put on bolts. Rock rails are bolted to the frame. I actually wrapped the steps in aluminum. Dress it up a little bit. Toyota roof rack. And got a Ricochet air dam on it. Got the rear super bumper, the shock absorbing bumper. You have to check it out online. It's just look up super bumper. Stainless steel 4-inch pipe. And it's got these big rubber bumpers, and then inside the hitch itself, it's kind of got a groove that will give with the where the pin. It's just not a hole where the pin rests. It's a slotted groove. That will absorb the shock. Got all the Toyota mats, carpeted rubber, and that's your tire tool kit. All the reflective tape, I put that on there. It's what you see, the honeycomb tape that you see at the bottom of 18-wheelers. Just reflective tape that helps you be seen. 4,527 miles on it. Not a scuff, scratch on it. All the plastics are perfect shape. Got the rock crawl feature, factory off-road package. I'm actually going to change these LEDs out to the even brighter 7020 LED chip. That's what these are here. I've got the lights controlled by the map lights, and then this controls these two. The map lights I can actually control with remote control. You can turn them off and on, change the brightness from there's 10 different levels of brightness. You can remote, you can change it to just quick, 25, 150, and the different brightness levels, 10 different levels you change with the actual, up or down. It's got different modes. Go back to 100%. It's got different modes, which I really don't care for. You can change the speed. But the main reason why I put the remote on it is to take the brightness way down, so if the passenger's reading something, it won't blind the driver. Turn it off. Remote control back. These are all Toyota emblems. If you don't like them, you can take them off with some dental floss. Got the stainless steel pillar uprights. They were a brushed, or they were actually mirrored finish, but I made them a brushed finish like your refrigerator. Won't show fingerprints, won't scratch up like the super polished. Just help protect it. And that's it. 2014 FJ Cruiser. Perfect shape. 4,500 miles. If you want any more pictures, you want to talk to me, email me at be sure to inspect at yahoo.com. That's BSURE, the number 2, inspect at yahoo.com. Thank you.